All right, 7th graders, we are looking at Essay Builder DBQ Online, and we are going to look at evidence within the body paragraphs. So depending on how much you use the Essay Builder and what you have put into this, finding your evidence, that is going to be under unpacking your buckets. So as you can see, there's a few documents that have been placed into these buckets. We have reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And again, your actual reason will replace this reason 1. And if you have used this feature, you should have evidence from document A that you are looking to use in your paper, evidence that will help your argument as to what your view is on the question. And if you didn't use this feature and chose not to do that, you're just simply going to have to go into the documents, and now you're going to start pulling out information that you want to use. Depending on the format of what I have given you to use, you may have short forms that are available on the documents that you may have put information onto. You may have summarized some of them. There may be questions that you were supposed to answer on the documents. So all these things could potentially be filled out. Just a reminder, the short form is also attached to the documents here that you can go and reference, all right, as you're filling your buckets. So regardless of where you're going to pull this information, we need to start building our body paragraph with now evidence to support your reason. All right, this can be as much or as little as you have prepared. That's completely up to you, and completely up to what you're going for and how much evidence you have. All right, so that goes in here, and that's the same for each paragraph. There's a feature for that evidence. This does not have to be written in perfect paragraph form. These are simply notes for you to transfer into the correct place in the paper. All right, so that is your evidence piece.